You want to be rich? Great. But here's the deal. Making money is only half the game. If you don't know how to spend it wisely, it'll vanish before you even realize it. The secret to real wealth? Smart spending. In this video, we're breaking down 6 game-changing steps to help you take full control of your money and keep your bank account growing. Let's go. Step 1. Understand the difference between needs and loves versus wants. First, clarity. Write down or mentally note 3 categories: needs and loves versus wants. Let's define them. 1. Needs. These are must-haves for your daily life or well-being, things like groceries, personal care items, or your monthly utility bills. They're essential and non-negotiable. 2. Loves. These are items that bring you genuine joy, align with your values, or enhance your life significantly. For example, a high-quality piece of clothing you'll wear for years or a hobby-related item that fuels your passion. 3. Wants. These are things you like but can easily live without. They don't significantly improve your quality of life, and they might only satisfy a fleeting desire, like another pair of shoes when you already have a closet full. By creating these 3 distinct categories, you set yourself up for more mindful decision-making. The next time you're about to buy something, ask yourself, is this a need, a love, or just a want? If it only falls under want, challenge yourself to set it aside. Needs and loves will add value to your life. Step 2. Create a shopping plan and set a budget. Before you go out to shop or open your favorite online store, make a plan. Write a list. Jot down the essentials, your needs, and make sure you stick to those first. A written list keeps you focused and prevents you from straying too far into impulse territory. Set a budget. Decide how much you're willing to spend ahead of time. Think of this as your green light to spend up to that limit, but no more. Having clear boundaries helps you avoid financial regrets later. This purposeful approach encourages you to stay on track. You'll still enjoy the thrill of shopping, but with fewer impulse buys and more money left in your wallet. Step 3. Adopt wait-a-day rule. Even with a list, you might find yourself attracted to something outside your planned purchases. Here's a simple technique to manage that temptation. First, pause. Don't add the item to your cart right away. Give yourself a day before finalizing the purchase. And reflect. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I still want it after a week? Is there something similar I already own? If the item still feels necessary, it's a need or it's a love, then you can confidently proceed. But often, once that pause happens, you'll realize the item you initially grabbed isn't as important as you thought. Step 4. Celebrate quality over quantity. Remember that higher quality often means better value in the long run. Cheap items might break quickly or wear out, forcing you to spend again. So focus on products that offer durability, reliability, and real usefulness. This approach ensures you get your money's worth and helps eliminate the clutter caused by piles of lesser quality goods. Step 5. Keep track of your purchases. Keeping a simple record of what you buy and how much it costs helps you become more aware of your spending habits. Whether you prefer a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet, make it a habit to log your purchases. This practice will reveal patterns, such as impulsive buys or areas where you're overspending. By reviewing these logs regularly, you'll learn where you can cut back and make better decisions next time. Step 6. Reward yourself. After all, we're not talking about cutting out all your fun. Instead, consider giving yourself small but meaningful treats when you've stuck to your plan. For instance, if you successfully skipped a few impulse buys this week, celebrate with something you genuinely love, a favorite meal, a movie night, or some other experience that doesn't break the bank. Rewarding is important. You've just learned a straightforward method to separate your needs, loves, and wants, create a focused shopping plan, and track your spending more effectively. Remember, the next time you're out shopping, prioritize the things you need and truly love, and leave behind those that are just fleeting wants. You'll be amazed at how this simple habit can boost your happiness, preserve your hard-earned money, and guide you toward a more intentional life. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button to let us know. Share this video with anyone who might need a gentle reminder on how to shop wisely. And of course, subscribe to Big Life Plan for more strategies to live a bigger life. Stay tuned, stay mindful. See you in the next video.